What's going on, you guys? It's Thomas here. Today I'm really excited because we're going to be unboxing the Spigen Liquid Air Armor case for iPhone SE, and I've really been looking for a good phone case for a long time, and I found this case on Amazon. It looks pretty cool, so let's check it out. Alright guys, so here's the Spigen Liquid Air Armor phone case, and let's just check it out. It opens up, there's just a little pull tab that you can pull. Opens up the box, and let's get this phone case out. Okay, it's in a little plastic packaging. You know, I really like that. I love it when companies give just basic, simple packaging, and they don't give like a bunch of, you know, tied stuff, adhesive, and stuff you need to cut. Just makes the unboxing experience a lot more easy and more pleasant. Just open this little bag, and here is the case. Yeah, it's a really nice looking case, I'm gonna be honest. It's just a little bit flexible. It has a cutout for your mute button. Looks like a raised bezel. And it's just a really nice minimalist case. But you know what, let's test it out on my phone. So I'm gonna pull off my crappy old falling apart case, set that aside, and I'm gonna just insert my phone into the case, and it clicks in honestly quite easily, and wow, I really like this case. Okay, so the first thing I notice is the top bit. It protects the camera just by a little bit, but it's also, and it protects the screen a little bit too. Yet it's also extremely thin, and it's really light. Wow, this is honestly really nice. I really like how the pattern on the back, it creates a little bit of grip, so the phone case is not too slippery. And all the cutouts are really precise on the bottom. Cutouts on the side are precise. So this case, okay, I wouldn't, like, it seems decent to protect your phone, but I wouldn't expect this thing to protect from a major drop. So if you're the kind of person who drops your phone all the time, this case is not for you. But for me, somebody who's pretty careful with my cell phone, it's a good case. And at the price, it's like 12 bucks on Amazon. It's a pretty good case. You know, it comes off easily. It's nice and flexible. It's really slim, and it also it has shock protection. It has this Spigen air cushion technology. That's what they call it. So basically, it has little air pockets in the corners of the case. So when you drop it on one of the corners, it's perfectly fine. And let me pop my phone back in there. Yeah, all of the buttons work really nicely. They feel nice, clicky, responsive. It's a pretty nice case. I'm pleased with this. So what would I rate it? For design, I'd rate it 4 out of 5. You know, it's a slim, nice looking minimalist case that fits the phone well and has clicky, you know, buttons. Protection, maybe a 3 out of 5. It protects it better than most cases. Definitely better than no case and better than those clear TPU cases. But it doesn't protect it as much as some of like the OtterBox Defender or some of those other cases by OtterBox that really protect the device. And for the price, I'd rate it a 4 out of 5. It was like 12 bucks on Amazon. That's a good value for your money. So overall, I'd rate it like a 3.5 to 4 out of 5. And, you know, it's honestly a nice case. I'm very happy with it. Alright guys, I really do hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, let me know by smashing that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.